Hello students, welcome back. Myself Chetna Upadhyay and we will continue our third chapter, which is fiber to fabric. And in this chapter we have seen the different type of fabric and fiber and types of fibers, that is natural and synthetic fiber. And yesterday video we have seen the some plants fiber. Okay, so today we will see the how the yarn is made from fibers. Okay, we know that the yarn is made from the fibers. So today we will see to make fabric. All these fibers first converted into yarns. Okay, the first fibers before converting into fabric, it converted into yarns. So how is it done? So spinning cotton yarn, first method is spinning cotton yarn. Hold some cotton wool in one hand, pinch some cotton between the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Uh, Now gently start pulling out the cotton while continuously twisting the fibers. Are you able to make a yarn? This is a activity which you can do at your home. Take some cotton, and I am taking a cotton like this. Okay, cotton, and it is a cotton just एक हाथ में आप इसको पकड़े रहो और दूसरे हाथ से आप इसको पुल करके ट्विस्ट करते चलो ऐसे। ओके, आप इसको ट्विस्ट करते चलोगे तो ये आपका क्या हो रहा है, यार्न में चेंज हो रहा है। ओके, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड यार्न। इसको आप और भी थिन कर सकते हो, जितना आप थिन कर सको। ओके, इसको आप ट्विस्ट करते जाओगे, जितना ही आप ट्विस्ट करोगे उतना ही ये यार्न में चेंज होता जाएगा। ओके, सो this is called spinning cotton yarn. Okay, we are making yarn by cotton by spinning it. Okay, so you can do at your home, and you have to do this and send me image in the group. Okay, so the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग यार्न फ्रॉम फाइबर इज़ कॉल्ड स्पिनिंग। मतलब जब हम यार्न से फाइबर से यार्न बनाते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज़ कॉल्ड स्पिनिंग। इन दिस प्रोसेस फाइबर्स फ्रॉम अ मास ऑफ कॉटन वूल आर ड्रॉन आउट एंड ट्विस्टेड। दिस ब्रिंग द फाइबर टुगेदर टू फॉर्म यार्न। ये यही हो रहा है ना कि आपका ये है फाइबर, और इसमें से ये क्या हो रहा है, ये इन सबको एक साथ ला रहा है। ओके, एंड इट इज़ मेकिंग यार्न। Okay, it is making yarn. Okay, a simple device used to spinning is hand spindle, and also called takli. This is called takli. ओके, इसी से इसको फंसा के घुमाते हुए फंसा के निकालते हैं तो वो आपका यार्न बनता है। Okay, another hand operated device used for spinning is charkha, very famous. It is used by the Mahatma Gandhi. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as the part of independence movement. आपने देखा होगा गांधी जी का चरखा बहुत फेमस है। वो क्या करते थे, वो कॉटन से ही धागे बनाते थे, स्पिनिंग। ओके, ही इनकरेज पीपल टू वेयर क्लोथ्स मेड ऑफ homespun yarn and shun imported clothes, shun या shut imported clothes made in the mills of Britain. उनका मेन ये इनकरेज करना था कि लोग जो आपके खुद के इंडिया में बने हुए क्लोथ्स को पहने, ये नहीं कि ब्रिटेन के मिल में जो चीज़ें तैयार हुई हैं वो पहने। ओके, spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machine. Spinning of yarn is called is done by machine. In today's date there is so many technology, there are so many machine. So in the present day, on the large scale of making yarn by spinning is done by machine. After spinning, yarn are used for making fabric. ओके, आफ्टर स्पिनिंग yarn आर यूज फॉर मेकिंग फैब्रिक. अब क्या हो गया, आपका फाइबर मिल गया, फाइबर से आपका yarn हो गया. अब क्या बचा हमें, इस yarn से फैब्रिक बनाना. ओके, फर्स्ट क्या हुआ, वी गॉट द फाइबर फ्रॉम एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट एंड वी हैव मेड yarns फ्रॉम द फाइबर्स एंड नाउ फैब्रिक इज मेड बाय द yarn. सो yarn टू fabric. Okay, there are 2 or 3 process of making fabric from yarn. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarn. There are many ways from which fabrics are made from yarns. The 2 main processes are weaving and knitting. The 2 main process is weaving and knitting. First, weaving. Okay, in activity 2, you might have noticed that fabric is made up of 2 sets of yarn arranged together. The process of arranging 2 sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Weaving means कि 2 sets of fabric को arrange करना. To arrange of 2 set of yarn. Okay, like ऐसे, जैसे आपका ये चीज़ है, एक ये यान है आपका. ओके, और इसी से आप, जब हम इसी के साथ और इसी तरह से यान रखे हो और इसके बाद फिर इसको ऐसे ऐसे एक दूसरे में करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वीविंग. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई द वेव सम पेपर स्ट्रिप. ओके, that is a activity which you can do at your home. See the picture, take 2 color of the picture. You can take any 2 color, but it should be 2 different color, blue, white, any 2 color. Okay, and make a strip of this paper sheet. ओके, आप स्ट्रिप करो और फिर आपको ऐसे इसको वीविंग करना है. ओके, इसको स्ट्रिप को एक दूसरे में वीविंग करना है, जैसे जाली जैसा बनाना है आपको, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ वीविंग. ओके, दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क, दैट इज़ योर एक्टिविटी. यू हैव टू डू दिस एट योर होम एंड पेस्ट इट दिस पेपर इन योर कॉपी. ओके, so this is your homework. So let's see activity. Take 2 sheets of paper of different colors. Cut square pieces of length and width equal to 30 cm from each sheet. Now fold both the sheet into half. On one sheet draw line as shown in the figure 3.2. ये 3.12 A and the other as shown in figure 3.212B. Cut both the sheet along the dotted line and then unfold. Weave the strip one by one through the cuts of the sheet of paper as shown in figure 3.2C and 3.12D. Shown the pattern after weaving the strip like this. Okay, so you have to do this activity at your home and paste it this strip in your fair copy. Okay, it is your homework and you have to send me the these things, making yarn from the cotton. Everybody has a cotton, so take the cotton and make a yarn and click the picture like this in this position and send it to me in the group. Okay, so for today that's it. Keep reading this chapter. If there is any confusion, you can ask me in the group. And you are not sending me homework properly and you are not sending me your work and you are not replying my questions in the group. Okay, so please pay attention or in your study. I am thinking that you are taking very carelessly. So be attentive and be careful. Till then, thank you.